If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2026 in Rocket League, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to ensure that the servers are operational. If there are ongoing issues, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Step 5. Relink your account. If the problem persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to your Rocket League profile. This can often resolve account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error and get back to enjoying Rocket League. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the support team for further assistance.